Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp web not opening. To know how to fix WhatsApp web not opening, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp here like this. And when you will see this page, you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application so that you can know how to fix WhatsApp WhatsApp web not opening. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.